guys, today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be doing a bunch of questions. I'm curious to see what you guys ask. Okay, go.
How did your life change through YouTube? What would you do now if you had never started your channel?
So if I didn't start my YouTube channel, I would still be a makeup artist. That's totally like my trade. That's what I do. I love makeup. I love making people feel beautiful. I love giving girls and women confidence to look and feel their best. But YouTube has completely changed my life. I think even if I wasn't doing YouTube, I probably would have still moved to LA because I really wanted to be a celebrity makeup artist. But YouTube just opened the world to other things that I never thought I would do. Like I never thought I would be in a commercial with Garnier. Never in a million years. I always thought I would be behind the scenes. So I guess being so much in front of the camera is something I never expected.
Pt2 asks, how do you deal with clingy boyfriends? Like the really clingy ones that don't let you leave but also refuse to acknowledge what is wrong in the first place.
Oh my god. Well, step number one, don't have a boyfriend like that. Honestly, I would never be able to date someone like that because I'm very, very, very independent. All my past relationships, like the guy is always very independent as well, and we're really good at like both having our own separate lives, but then we also come together and it's like a really nice balance. So I personally could never date someone who's super clingy. It's just not for me.
Lulu.Mata asks, it seems as though your career skyrocketed as soon as you became single. Is there a correlation? Not that women can't be successful and in relationships. However, I'm wondering if relationships slow us women down a bit in our careers.
That's a good question. I think that the reason that I have so many more opportunities right now is not because I became single. I think it's just years and years of hard work and it's like all finally paying off. I think the timing just happens to be a coincidence because, to be honest with you guys, for me, it's really important when I'm in a relationship with someone that the guy that I'm in a relationship with is similar to me in the sense that we're both equal. Like Alex and I, we were both very ambitious. We were both worked really hard. We both helped each other a lot too. So he helped me with things and I helped him with things. So we were a really, really good team. So I don't think that being in a relationship hurt my work at all. If anything, I think it helped me. Yeah, I don't think that being in a relationship should ever affect your career. It really shouldn't. I think if you are in a good, healthy, strong relationship, the person that you're with should definitely bring you up, should help you be more successful, should support you no matter what, and they should for sure not bring you down to like minimize whatever you're doing.
Aaron Sandy asks, in some of your older videos, it looks like you're wearing a wedding ring on your left finger. Were you married before?
Ooh, Aaron? Is it Aaron? Aaron, Sandy, you are nosy. But I love it. No, I appreciate that. That just means that you are a long-term subscriber and I love you for that. I used to be married. I think that's like common knowledge. I think people know that. Oh, that seems like a lifetime ago. I think that should be just like a video in itself. Yeah. I was super, 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 super young and didn't know what I was doing. And it seems like a whole other life. And that's why I always say, don't get married young. But that was just my experience. Not married anymore, no ring on the finger.
Alyssa asks, do you have tips for beginner YouTubers?
So I think right now, because there's so many beauty YouTubers out there, if you are just getting into it, I think my best tip to you is be yourself. Try to do something that's a little bit different that's not already out there. And also, it's really important to be consistent. So if you want your videos to be seen on YouTube, you have to post all the time.
Ram Sid asks, what 3 things would you live with if you had to live in a jungle with no service?
Oh my God! Wait, so I can't take my phone? What 3? Okay, but food. I need food. What about food? In a jungle, there's gonna be food in the jungle, I'm guessing, like bananas and fruit and stuff. You know what? I would need tweezers. I would need a pair of tweezers because my eyebrows, I need to tweeze my eyebrows every day, so guys. I don't know, only 3 things? A book? Can I bring a book? Then I would just read the same book over and over? I don't know. Soap? Do I need soap? I don't know.
Probably.
Probably. I'm in a jungle and I only have 3 things.
Food.
But food, I can probably catch food. Or catch food.
Eman in the ocean stabbing fish.
Stabbing fish, climbing the tree, grabbing the banana. So I don't need food because there's gonna be food on the island, in the jungle. I need tools. I need a knife. I need a machete. Okay, I'm gonna say one of them is gonna be a knife. I need like some sort of entertainment. Maybe a guitar. I would teach myself. I don't know. Maybe I teach myself how to play guitar. I don't know. I'm in the jungle for a long time. I'm gonna like learn how to play acoustic guitar. I don't know.
Is there like one product?
Oh, is this a product question?
No, I'm sure it's a general one.
Oh my god. Honestly, I would need like some kind of grooming stuff. So I need like a razor blade or like tweezers, soap, something to feel clean. I like feeling clean.
So knife, soap,
and a guitar. A knife, soap, and a guitar. Those are my 3 things.
Oh my gosh. Nadia Lozano asks, Eman, what is your life goal in this moment?
God, you guys, these questions. I know this is gonna sound so cheese, but my life goal right now is just to be really present and aware of every moment, being very conscious of my actions and my words, even like with like social media, just being very aware of like what I'm putting out in the world and what my message is, aware of my actions, aware of my surroundings, and to be very present and to just not like let life pass me by like I've been doing for years, you know, and just kind of like I go with the flow a lot, but sometimes I go with the flow too much. Those were so many amazing questions. Thank you so much, you guys. I had so much fun doing this. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you're new to my channel, make sure you add me on Instagram at Eman, and I will see you guys in another video very soon. Mwah! Someone left me a comment saying, I thought you were really uptight. I didn't realize that you were so fun. I'm like, do I look uptight?